So I just picked this up. Right now, currently, I'm using 0.035 wire. So I got this YESWELDER Flux Core Gasless 0.030, or yep, 30 diameter, 2 pounds full. Hear good things about it. I'm going to give it a shot. It's vacuum sealed.
The spool's almost done. But I'm going to hang on to it for... I'm going to hang on to it for thicker stuff. And it freaking has another coating on it. Can't see what I'm using then. What kind of stuff? The sticker should be on the other side. .30 tip. Down in there. Tighten this back down. Let's get some metal and weld it up. Wow, that is night and day.
I had to adjust the wire speed in the beginning. And the spatter is so much better. There's like no spatter. Oh, that was worth it right there. That was worth it.